Hello, Mr. Turkle. How I go on now? Wait. How are the bomb buckler she do to Mr. Turkle? How are the blood?
Holy fucking smokes, I got my money up. Counting all these bands took me a while just to damn run it up.
Cheers to myself. Blood clot. Cheers again. I'm so proud of you.
Like focus, I'm in a trouble people. I send somebody trouble me, I go boom boom dum. But that's why I light up my mouth, slide my mouth like butter pan.
Me tired of every day meet them pork, chicken, goat. Me tired. No, nobody no race dragon, elephant or them little rhino dinosaur sitting there.
Say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again.
Bring. Hello, this is MDC Pharmacy. How may I help you? Is this MDC Pharmacy? MDC Pharmacy, good morning. How may I help you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How much for 3 dozen tonic?
MDC Pharmacy, good morning. How may I help you?
How much for them tonic that we get last time?
Who is this?
Bring.
MDC Pharmacy, good evening. How may I help you?
What time when I close?
We close in about 30 minutes.
Alright, my dear, give me a bit in a Clarendon mechanic.
I don't know.
Alright, me still I gotta come down here.
I mean, you can come, but if we close by your reach, then we close.
There may be so much. Just no say me write down the whole of the name. Cause someone of members say phone application still pending. All I wanna know me say you see when me started, my God, sorry for You see how you boy, you brown boy with the glasses, me hear you.
This is a certified hood classic. It's about oh my God.
Oh, you get the leak. I suck your mother, you dunce fuck. I can't need slow people. You see the world and
So what we have here is a so-called madman drawing a pedestrian crossing by my workplace. Now, what he doing there appears to be madness, but the man is very logical because the man sees people crossing there all the time. So he's drawing a pedestrian crossing for the pedestrians. But what's the madness now? Look at the people that's supposed to not be mad and using the pedestrian crossing the madman just put there. So who mad? The madman or the people that walking on the pedestrian crossing the madman make? And look, he's signing it too. Look it. J1. Alright. I have no idea.
عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة الحاجة من بيت البيت وقلبتني البوسة الحاجة بسبوسة عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة عاشق بسه.
I need some money, Daniel. The fuck am I doing 200? What's not clicking, Daniel? Like, come on, nigga. Cash at me right now. Hurry up.
In this life, you have to have confidence. You understand me? I know Miss Kitty, she have a heap of curves.
Yeah.
I know you have to live
carefree in this world.
You have to always be safe.
And that's
And make
why
sure you have proper
security. I'm gonna ask you. I know that some people sensitive though. I saw them going very sensitive. But you know, me just no business. You understand me? Because me just a beer suave.
I'm not say it work. Both of them. Why not the both of them? We need the both of them.
I be the preferred, buying groceries, buying what you need. You got the 95, but baby, so do I.
Facts. But nobody's going to believe you. Nobody's going to take you on a date if you look so, like, you know, weirded out. It's like, come on. Yeah, but give me a date vibe.
You're rude.
I can't go take the vaccine because KFC. Oh Jesus, me late. KFC I give a free chicken and credit. I take a vaccine already now, but me I go tell them say me they drink some Cersei and the Cersei wash out the vaccine. Yeah, that me I go tell them. Oh Lord Jesus, me late.
Like, I just really don't understand patois. Because it's not that I don't understand it. I just really don't know how to speak it, you know? And I wasn't grown around that type of lifestyle. So like hearing the type of music and stuff like that, like I really didn't grow up around that. So I don't really know how to speak patois. I'm sorry. Intellectual murder people, edition, cock and fire, full of gun like Remington, fully charged up, eager for kill a man, ratty gang, fi me gang, pussy run up if you bad.